Um, Mostly being able to help out borrowers who have been told no by other lenders, or given wrong information, because I have that information and that experience. So I was, able to help people into homes who didn't think they could or were told no. So I'm like, no, dude, like you're good now, but we're still going to rehab your credit because we're going to save you some money. So,
Yeah.
and we were better priced, any broker was like, even with your scores 610, we're still cheaper than these other people. And if we do this, this, and this, we're going to save you some money. But we were able to save it and save them like several $1,000s, just because the VA loan. We knew the guidelines and we know like, hey, you don't need the best score to qualify. It's very common, that people come to us and say, I was told I can't do it because I had a bankruptcy, or I had another home that was I did a short sale a couple years ago, or anything like that. So we're able just to educate the realtors and the homeowners that like you still can qualify. There's no. It's like, hey, we may need to just fix a couple of things and you should be fine, or maybe you're fine
Mhm.
as is. Like the most dramatic one is I had a client who had a 514 credit
Yeah.
score.
Yeah.
Um, and that's pretty much for every other loan product is an instant no. Like I don't even need to look at your paperwork. It's just you're not going to get a loan right now. But VA were able to get it done, and he even had a couple of late payments on credit cards within the last 12 months. So even that, the score alone, the credit profile, even some lenders, even VA loans with some lenders would say no. But just knowing what the
Mhm.
underwriters are looking for, knowing what makes them feel comfortable, we're able to position it to show that it wasn't an ongoing issue, how things have been, the situation was rectified, it's not going to happen again, how the whole life has been turned around, and we're able to help them get their first home without a down payment. And that's a big win, and that comes from just knowing the guidelines and how the loan works.